I'm Bob Miller, Color Services Manager here at IT Supplies, and here is today's tech tip. So you're printing on your HP and the media, the backing is actually getting stuck in the curing unit. How do you solve it? Well, HP has a solution. It's the HP Platen protector. Let me show you how to install it. Go ahead and lift up the cover. And the way I do it is I put it down like this so that this edge is facing upward. And I start to feed it through the plat. Just like that. And then it actually hooks right there and comes out the front. And there will be some Velcro where you can actually mount this side underneath. And it's just that simple. So once the Platen protector is in there, go ahead and load your media again that was sticking, and now it won't stick to the Platen.